Hi friends, in this video I am going to review this silicone massage bath brush after 6 months of use. You can see they are claiming it's soft, easily cleanable and elastic. This is available in these colors. So here you can see applications of this brush. You can see bath, clean off the stain on the skin. So material used food grade silicone, capacity 80 ml, weight 103 gram, and package size. Price actually is not mentioned here. See, this brush is soft and we can use it like this. See, and this part here, this we can open, and here we can fill liquid soap. So if you want to clean, right, we can take this outside. See, then we can clean it. I have been using it for 6 months, so it's very easy to clean. So you can try this. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.